Hello everyone, welcome to Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. Now your Nitin sir is coming back with your most important chapter for ICSE class 9 or CBSE class 10, simultaneous linear equation in two variable. Before I start the chapter, this is my request to everyone: subscribe my channel so it will reach to each and every individual who needs some knowledge about mathematics. So simultaneous linear equation in two variable. Two variable means what? X and y. This is two variable. So many method to solve the equation of simultaneous linear equation. I am not going to waste my time to discuss a single method. So I will take one question and solve with a method. See, I have written already here 3x plus 2y and 2x plus 3y. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. What to do in this type of question? Very simple. Change the coefficient of y or change the coefficient of x. This is my childhood habit. I hate y. I hate y. I love x. You understand? I hate y. I love x. So hate y means what? In each and every question I try to eliminate y. So what is the coefficient of y here? 2. And what is the coefficient of y here? 3. So interchange. This will be multiplied by 3. This will be multiplied by 2. And then rewrite the equation. 2 3 ja 3 3 ja 9x plus 6y is equal to 33. 4x plus 6y is equal to 8. If the sign is same, subtract. If opposite sign, add. Plus and plus same, subtract. Subtract means minus, minus, minus. Cancel. This is 5x. This is 25. X is equal to 5. My good habit again from the childhood age. Always I write from 1. So from 1, x is equal to 5. 3 into 5 plus 2y is equal to 11. 5 3s are 15. 2y is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to minus 2. This is the first question. This is the first question. A very simple method. Interchange the coefficient with the y, hate y, and then you will have a value and then put from equation 1. So this is the habit. Develop this habit in each and every question so you will have no confusion what to do. This you will get in Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. In this situation, this will help you. Now coming back with the next question. See the next question already I have written 5 upon x plus y. 5 upon x plus y minus 2 upon x minus y is equal to minus 1, and then 15 upon x plus y plus 7 upon x minus y is equal to 10. Now if in this type of question, what to do? Very simply you can do one thing. In this type of question, 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon x plus y is equal to u. 1 upon x plus y is equal to u, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b, and then you rewrite the equation. So this will be 5u minus 2v is equal to minus 1. 5u minus 2v is equal to minus 1, and then 15u plus 7b is equal to 10. I just wanted to write with the different color so you will understand what happened here. So now this equation converted into u and b. Now you solve same coefficient. Now here you hit b. So this will be multiplied by 7. This will be multiplied by 2. Interchange the coefficient. Check. So 7 5s are 35u minus 14b is equal to minus 7, and then 15 2s are, because the each value is interchanged with the multiply with the 2. 30u plus 14b is equal to 2 10s are 20. Now already I spoke same sign, subtract, opposite sign. See the next method, opposite sign, addition, cancel. This will be 65u is equal to 13. So u is equal to 1 by 5. Then again you can say this is 1, this is 2. From 1, u is equal to 1 by 5. 5 into 1 by 5 minus 2b equal to minus 1. So minus 2b is equal to minus 1. This will be cancelled. This will go this side. This is minus 2. So b equal to 1. Now you have b and u. b and u. So now what is b and what is u? Very simple. 1 upon x plus y is equal to u. u is equal to 1 upon 5. This implies x plus y equal to 5. And 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. b is equal to 1. So you can say x minus y equal to 1. Now you solve this equation. Opposite sign, same coefficient, add 2x is equal to 6. X equal to 3. You keep it here, y equal to 2. Because already I discussed, that's why I have not solved this one. Directly I have done. This is mathematics, Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. Very simply you can do this kind of a solution. Now coming toward the third question. Third question, I will give you one concept. This question is not a simple question. I just wanted to give you cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, a very important part in ICSE. So you will come to know here about how to do cross multiplication. Now for cross multiplication, suppose if I am writing here ax by plus c, all the equation in LHS, b1 c1 is equal to 0, a2x b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is in the form of ax plus bx plus c, a standard form of our equation. So now x upon, or if you have any confusion, I am writing here a2x b2y c2 0. Now x upon, keep your hand here, so b1 into c2, b1 c2 minus c1 into b2, vice versa, change. See, y upon, keep your hand here, c1 a2 minus, change this one, a1 c2. Very simple. And then 1 upon a1 b2 minus, change this one, a2 b1. So your question is 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0, and then 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Now keep this equation is 1 and 2. I have written already here x upon b1 c2, b1 3 into minus 5 minus 15, then minus c1 b2 minus 9 4 ja 36 minus 36. Okay, with the sign, this sign is already in between, so c1, that is minus 9 into 4 minus 36. So y upon minus 9 into 3, y c1 a2 minus 9 into 3 minus 27 minus 5 into 2 minus 10 bracket, yes, then 1 upon 4 2 ja 8, 3 3 ja 9 minus 9. Now x upon minus 15 21 plus 21, y upon minus 17 and 1. So x equal to 21, y equal to minus 17. This is the cross method. This is cross method by Nitin sir, Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. Subscribe my channel and share with your friends, so that everyone will have this kind of a knowledge. Now going to the next question, what sum problem. I will end this session with this question, and in the next video I will solve more and more what sum problem. I don't want to make a long video. So This question is related with father and son. Always present age, let X son. Always you try to let son as X. Father is 6 times as old as his son. What is the age of father? Suppose father is Y equal to 6x. Then 4 year hence मतलब बाद में 4 साल के बाद, तो 4 साल के बाद पापा की एज 6s है, तो आफ्टर 4 ईयर पापा कितने के हो जाएंगे? 6x प्लस 4. पुत्र कितने का हो जाएगा? x प्लस 4. सी द वेरी सिंपल मेथड. हेंस he will be 4 times as old his son. He will be who? Father. 6x plus 4 is equal to 4 times as old as his son. 4 times as old as his son. 6x plus 4. This is 2x is equal to 12x equal to 6. So son equal to 6. Father equal to 36. So father 36, son 6. This is your answer, a very easy manner. So this is my request to everyone. Subscribe my channel, and if you like this one, please share with your friend. Till then, God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.